What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. Today we're gonna be doing a, not really sure if it's a review. We just kind of meeting up with the president of the Head Turners Club in New Braunfels, and he got a Chevy SS that we're gonna be checking out, kind of comparing to the, I guess, compared to my G8 a little bit. I mean, the SS is better, but his SS is pretty clean. Probably the cleanest SS that I've seen with chrome on it. So right now I'm on my way there, so let's go ahead and get this video started, y'all. Goddamn hill, god damn. You gotta see this. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, like, if you go like way on the outskirts of Texas, like we was with I think it's the hill country, because I'm not from Texas, so I'm not familiar with none of the areas. But if you go way on the outskirts of Texas, they got some really like nice scenery. Alright, y'all, so that's Tyler in front of me. Filthy_LS3. I'll put his Instagram up. But we heading to the spot so I can get a couple of shots of his car.
Fucking stars.
So I'm here with Tyler, Filthy_LS3, right? Yeah. All right, so that's his SS right here. So we just go over the SS. He's gonna tell us like his mods and all the stuff, like kind of tell me like why you chose the SS out of everything else. And if y'all don't know, like this is the car that I want. This or CTSV is the only car that I'll probably get rid of. This car.
When I bought it out of Dallas, it already had all the badge swaps, so all the Holden emblems, the whole grill insert, so it comes with all the emblem and then the backside. The LS3 is replaced with SS badges and same on the back, but with a VF Series 2 Commodore badge. I recently just got the carbon splitter put on not too long ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. Which was pretty badass. That's my buddy Josh. I could go have one. It's on Granite Telly springs, 1.5 in the front, 1.8 in the back. It's the lowest we can really get on these cars.
Yeah, I want to ask you that because it do look.
Yeah,
it do look.
You can get.
Did you roll the fenders?
Yeah, fenders are rolled. It has 3-inch solo performance axle backs and secondary deleted cats.
Yeah, sounds pretty good. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get a rev right quick. All right. Pretty good. This is Instagram. If y'all want to go follow him, go give him a follow. Like performance-wise, what all you got done performance-wise?
Roto-fab air intake, not yet. Probably gonna get headers sometime next year. I'm looking at getting a tune here in the next few weeks, just a regular straight tune.
just an intake so far?
Yeah, just intake so far.
Z28 rims.
Minor aesthetics. Probably 30 so, but it's alright.
Nah, I look better than mine right now.
It had a VIN plaque made.
Yeah, these the same, whatchamacallit as the G8.
Yeah.
Same cover. So y'all don't know, this is like the, I guess you could say like
the new G8.
Yeah. So this is like the new G8, the G8 that never made it to, I mean, because obviously they don't have Pontiac anymore, so that's why it's a Sheldon. Yeah. So, but
discontinued.
Yeah. So this would have been probably would have been a Pontiac, but obviously the Pontiac didn't make it, so it became a Chevy. But really a Holden, if y'all don't know, which I got to tell people all the goddamn time. What year is this one?
Over there. This is a 16.
16.
Yeah.
So is this one didn't come with the one of them came with the mag ride. I know that.
Oh yeah, this came with mag ride.
That one.
The 15s and up all had mag ride, and then this color you can only get it in a 15 or a 16.
Alright. I'm gonna with this. I'll go around here and then. Alright, y'all. So we about to do a ride along. I like the interior of the SS too, man. That's why I want
it's
one.
nice. I'm willing to bet if you pull this up, it'll be like all the Holden badges and stuff. It's just leather and suede.
When I had a GTO, they had suede in it.
I liked it a lot. I mean, other than it was the V6, I didn't want the 5.7, but I didn't mind having the V6 because I put 36,000 miles on it in a year. I was driving a lot.
Good picture place. Come right here and take a picture. Look at this. They got people that live out there. All out there. It's crazy.
It's a nice area. A lot of people out here.
Taking them turns like that.
Doing 80.
Huh?
Doing 80.
Yeah, G8 ain't doing all that.
It's so smooth for turns.
So we're gonna take a ride in my car, see what he thinks about mine.
It already feels way more smooth.
Hell yeah. Yeah, that's what I said.
I'm gonna need like 30 seconds.
What you think about the G8?
My car, but prehistoric.
Yeah, basically. His car is a lot more like it's raw, but it feels better together. It goes. My car is a little bit more, his is predictable, mine is unpredictable. Because it did, like, I think when I got out to, before I hit it over here, it got a little loose. But mine's is a little raw. Like, you don't, like, even with me driving it all the time, sometimes I really don't know what to expect out of it. So, but how was the ride?
The ride felt good overall. I mean, not what I'm used to being how stiff it is with no mag ride and all that.
So, luxury, not so luxury.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got luxury. This one's more like, yeah. Prehistoric is like the right word too. It's like if they kept this body style, but basically. Hi y'all, so we about to head out. Well, I'm about to head out. I gotta go to CHEVY, pick up some stuff. Make sure I go follow Tyler. Is that your yeah. Oh, I thought it was your Instagram name.
No, I wish.
But his Instagram name is gonna be up here somewhere. It's filthy _LS3, right? Yep. So make sure y'all go give him a follow. He takes some pretty good pictures and taking pictures of other people's car too, huh?
Yeah.
So if y'all want to get some pictures taken, if you're in the area, y'all hit him up so you can get some pictures taken. And yeah, so I'll see y'all in the next video.